Hi everybody, my name is Amy Kwan, your voice in real estate. That feels actually really good to speak this in English, to do the script in English. Okay, that's okay. So as you know, if you have been subscribing to my channel, I've been making a few Korean based scripts, and I do gotta say, this comes a little bit more naturally for me to speak in English and make content real estate related in English. So this is going to be, I hope, a breeze. Okay, so today we are diving into a crucial question. I hear this all the time, especially for people who are in their 20s and 30s that just ask me, at this point, do I just rent or do I buy a house? What do I do? It's a decision that comes with various factors to consider, and we'll explore the key aspects to help you make an informed choice. Make sure you watch till the end of the video. Do not skip, do not do anything, just watch it till the end of the video, yeah? And like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure that you hit that notification button so you can get notified whenever there is a new video that comes out. All right, so as you know, Toronto's housing market is vibrant. Deciding between renting and buying depends on your unique circumstance and the future goals. Alright, welcome to my video. Have you subscribed? Have you liked? Have you commented? If you haven't done any of them, or if you've only done one of them, make sure you go do the other ones because I will be watching. Yeah, okay. Now let's dive back into the video. So let's go into what renting would look like. So renting offers flexibility, and particularly for those people who are unsure about what you're going to do, what your future is going to look like in the next 3 to 5 years. If you're unsure about your long-term plans, it provides mobility and less commitment. And especially if you're scared of commitment, I would maybe consider renting. And it allows you to explore different neighborhoods or job opportunities without being tied to a specific property. As we all know, it's easier probably to get out of a lease or to wait until the term ends than trying to buy it and then sell your house, because it could be costly, it could be all these things that you might not want to deal with. And then for some, renting might be financially more feasible, especially with Toronto's high housing prices. It allows for lower upfront costs and less responsibility for repairs and maintenance, because maintenance fees are high, I tell you. And also though, I know it's kind of shabby now, but the rental fee is not even that cheap. So it's hard to say, because rental fee, like I was able to get somebody in front of the waterfront about 2 years ago for $1,500 to $1,700 per month, and for one bedroom by themselves, right? Now you get that with one bedroom condo, like a room in in a condo, right? So it's sort of crazy, I gotta tell you. So right now, the average price around is $2,500 for one bedroom condo if you wanted to use that by yourself. So it's sort of getting unaffordable even for renting. So yeah, but you know what? Buying a house, buying a condo is also just as expensive if you think about it. So let's say $500,000. Let's say that you were able to get one bedroom for $500,000. I know it's crazy. $500,000. Let's say that you have $400,000 in mortgage, and with that, that is 400,000 times, right now the prime rate's at 7%. $28,000, so that's $28,000 that you have to pay only on interest per year, and divided that by 12 is definitely over $2,000. So on interest, and then there's the maintenance fee, there's the the condo insurance, and there's all kinds of things that's associated with it. So it's going to definitely exceed the renting, but also you're putting it somewhere that's not going to be wasted. So there's that. And now let's talk about that whole thing was a rental. Now let's talk about buying the house. Buying a home in Toronto offers stability, So if you're looking for that, then this is, maybe something you got to consider. Potential for long-term investment. It allows you to build equity and be a part of the growing market. Toronto is growing crazy, okay, and we don't even know where it's going to take us in the next 5 years, but it's crazy, okay. Everything, they're rebuilding, there's greenhouse, greener home incentives, there's all kinds of things that's happening around Toronto that you don't even know what's going to happen, but you just kind of go ahead. And there's the anxiety, there's the depression, there's all kinds of things that's happening in the world, and there's this okay, we're back now. Okay. With historically high with pretty high mortgage rates right now, I would say everybody's talking about it. I know you're probably talking about it too if you own a house. Buying a property could lead to a very stressful situation, but it might be worthwhile. Something to think about for sure. Moreover, a home owner offers the chance to personalize and invest in your property. So when you rent, right, a lot of my friends and a lot of my clients who have only been renting for the last 5 to 10 years seem to only be able to rent as you go on because you remember what it was like. You remember when one bedroom condo used to be 300,000, 200,000, and now you're going at it and you're like, this is not what I thought. You're looking at $500,000 and $600,000 for just one bedroom condo. And they're like, I think we're still in a bubble, and we're still in that phase. Like, some people feel like we're still in a bubble and don't think that it's going to go up anymore. They're just waiting for a crash. They think they're going to see 200,000, 300,000. Maybe they're right. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. So if you've been renting for a long time, you remember what it used to be like, and you're like, bring that back, and that happens. And another part of it is like, okay, well, it is still cheaper to rent, so is it better to just do that? So there's a lot of people that are indecisive about what is right and what is wrong, but it might be worth considering to buy if your income is there to support the mortgage. And we don't even know how long this mortgage is going to last. So it could last, honestly, until like next year. Like, it could keep on going. It could go down next year is what I am expecting, maybe mid to late next year. Or it could last, I don't know, 3 years. Who knows, right? But do you believe in the city of Toronto and the condo itself? Do you believe that you're gonna see an improvement there? That's important to know. So something to consider there. I went on a rant. Like, I didn't realize how much I love speaking in English. Only if I got more views, right, on this. I would continue, but okay, I am going to continue. So, as we talked about it, renting in Toronto and buying in Toronto, it's such a question I hear all the time. All the time I hear, do I rent or do I buy? It really, really, really depends on your particular situation. So first, I was just getting ready to edit some things, and now I'm in my PJs. It's actually a really nice onesie. But I realized that my factors to consider for whether to buy your house or rent it is gone. I don't know what happened. I don't know who's taken it out of my phone, but probably my phone dying is a part of it. So there are factors to consider in recap. There is the financial situation. Do you have money saved up, or do you have like the income to support the mortgage? There's various factors like that. The market conditions. How is the market? Like, is it in the buyer's market? Is it balanced market? Is it seller's market? Are you in an advantage right now, or are you not? Are there things that's on the market that you like? And then number 3 is the future plans. What are you hoping to do? Are you hoping to stay in Toronto, or are you hoping to go to United States or other parts of the world? Who knows? So that it really tailors to your specific situation. So that's really important to consider when you're trying to decide whether you want to buy or rent in real estate. So in conclusion, in the end, whether to buy in Toronto or rent is all on you, and it's a personal decision. Nobody can tell you whether you made a right or wrong decision. So both renting and buying has their pros and cons, like we talked about, and it's essential to sit down and literally write it down. Write down what you think is good, why you think is good, why you want to rent or why you want to buy, and go right ahead with your best means and your aspiration and your needs, and you know that best more than any real estate in the world, anyone else in the world. I hope that this video was helpful, and I hope that it's able to give you some kind of clarification, and make sure you don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't, I know I am looking at my stats and I see a few of you guys that are watching my videos that are just not subscribing, and I know there's more than 80% of you guys who are not subscribed. Make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really, really helps me, especially in these English videos. So when I'm looking at my stats, it tells me which video I've gotten subscribers in. So I would love to see that you love this English versions or this type of videos. If you do, subscribe while you're watching this video. Well, thanks so much for watching, and remember, making an informed choice is the key in finding your home in Toronto, and I hope that I'm able to help you in that journey. So I am looking forward to connecting with you, and if you're looking to buy or rent in real estate, feel free to reach out to me. I will have the link down below for a free 30-minute consultation with you and me one-on-one. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Annyeong!